This piece of gear here that I have is called a sniper's veil. Okay, basically it's 100% cotton. It's 4 feet by 4 feet wide, and it's designed to be used for soldiers when they're fighting to have concealment. So you find your position and you throw this over yourself. I can see through this very clearly, but this gives me a little bit of concealment. So we know it's a sniper's veil. It's also obviously a scarf that you can wear. It'll quickly be made into a sling if you've hurt your arm. Just a simple overhand knot. You can see here now I'd be able to support my arm. It can be used to grab hot things out of your fire when you're cooking. I just bunch it up like this and it's a little, grabber. I use mine as a pillow. I'll just make a little ball. Very comfortable. Now you can see the pattern, if you can pick that up. So it's like a mesh. You can use this to gather small little crayfish, tadpoles. You just make it into a net, okay? Done it many times. Throw this in the water, back and forth, bring it up, and you'll have some little goodies in here. If you're in a hot environment like I am today, where it's 98 degrees, you can take this, dip it in water, and put that around your neck. That'll help keep you cool. You can also hang this to give yourself some shade from the sun. It's also 100% cotton, so you can use this as a bandage. You could char it and use it to get a fire going with a ferrocerium rod. It'll take a spark. The goal of this video is to show you the mentality, okay? So you're always thinking of, what can this piece of gear do for me? Not only is it a sniper's veil, but it's 100 different things. I recently just did a video about how I make my pillow. I'll leave a link to it up here, but it's the same thing. 2 is 1, 1 is none, okay? So once you start thinking like that, your kit will come together and you'll be carrying a lot less stuff and getting a lot more done.